Hello friends, I am Dr. Arun Savarkar, focused on the topic that is apiculture, a conservational approach. In this online interdisciplinary certificate course in apiculture organized by the Department of the Zoology, Balwant College, Vita. First of all, I would like to thankful to the Honorable Principal and organizing secretary along with the organizing committee to invite me for this certificate course in the apiculture. Dear friends, we know about that the need for the food is increasing globally. The modern practices also implemented and which involve for the production of the food. So many techniques which are used in the agriculture field to reduce the laborious work and increase the agriculture production. Along with that, as the production which is increases, but for preparation of that food production, it is necessity is of the good pollinators, and the good pollinators which are day by days whose population which is declined. Among the good pollinators, so many pollinators are present, among which the honeybees which also the important. Day by days whose population also decline here. And here our task is how to conserve that honeybees by through this apiculture workshop. We know about the apiculture. Apiculture, it means that the rearing of the honeybees artificially for their commercial apiary products in a mass scale. That apiculture, which is an important and dominant agro-based industry, totally depends or rely on the agriculture field. When they visit to the different flowers in the agriculture field, they collect the pollen as well as the nectar as a food material. But during such times, they set the seed also and the fruit also. Though we know about the main advantage of the apiculture which are very popular, they provide the honey as a valuable nutritional food, but in addition to that, they are also important in the cosmetic, pharmaceutical as well as the medical field. As well as the next point is that they provide the beeswax, which has also important in the various industries as the cosmetic, medicinal has the value. In addition to that, they also prepare the or which involve in the preparation of the crayon colors, paints, varnishes, carbon papers, whatever it may be, etc. In addition to that, they provide the royal jelly, propolis, pollen, which has the nutritional value, and the bee venom, which is important in the medical field. Along with that, apiary products, the honeybees are efficient pollinators, and when they visited to the number of the flowers, not only increasing the agriculture field, but also they increase the quality of the field here. It means that they directly or indirectly involve in the food industry of the nature. Some of the glimpses in the relation to the pollinations. Overall, the worldwide we say that 75% of the food crop production only and only by the animals, which including the many insect. One is the important, that is honeybees. The angiosperms, which are the flowering plants, for their pollinations, the animals whose contribute around 66%. Overall, the globe 35% of the crop production which totally depends on the insect pollination. And among these, the honeybees which are very important, who involve around 40% of the food crop production here, which involve in the pollination of the cereals, legumes, fruits, vegetables, and many cash products. When we compare who is the highly harvested honey country in the globe, that is China, who harvested around 1,60,000 metric tons of the honey and whose rank is the first. In our India, around 1,05,000 metric tons of honey which produces annually. That recently it may increases up to the 1,10,000 metric tons of the honey. While the other countries where like the America and the Russia 5,000 metric tons, Israel and Denmark about 3,000 metric tons of the honey which is harvested annually, and hence has the main importance of the honeybees in our diet also. Around 1/3 of the diet comes from the bee pollinated crops. Once again the question, why beekeeping? More than 40% of the honeybees has been disappeared during the last 25 years in India, that reported by the Galai and the co-workers in the year 2009. Now this year, that is 2020, it means that number or percentile which also increases here. A decline in the pollinating insect in India is resulting in the reduced vegetable yields. Not only the vegetable yields, but along with that the legumes, cereals, fruits, as well as the various cash crops also, whose production also declines. Every year, India produces about 7.5 million tons of the vegetables that may cross, that is 14% of the world, but is on the second rank. The first rank is the China in the world. What are the reasons behind him? Why the population of the pollinators, especially the honeybees, which is decline? The increased use of the pesticides and the fungicides. One of the ingredient or the chemical which is present in the pesticide, that name is the neonicotinoids, due to which decline which cause the severe effect on the nervous system of the honeybees, and due to which what happens, they decline the population or affect the population of the honeybees. Deforestation, industrialization and the urbanization, this is also the very important point and affect the population of the honeybees. As the large and old trees which are removed during the constructions or the road constructions or the making the industries, and during such times they remove the nesting sites as well as the pollinating sites, and hence due to which what happens, the colonies which removes from their destination. Monoculture, that is another way that same culture carried by the farmers every year, and there is no any variety of the flowers, and due to which the pollination which decline and the population of the honeybees also the reduced. Infestation by the various diseases like the varroa mites, bee eaters, then the wax moth, some of the many pathogens, due to which the colonies which are reduced. Mobile tower radiation, which also affects radiation of the towers, mobile towers, affect the navigational skill of the honeybees, and due to which what happens, they unable to move in their nest during the evening, and due to which what happens, here also the population of the honeybees which decline. The last point which is very important, that is a lack of the awareness, and a lack of awareness where we don't know about how is the pollinators which are work in the agriculture field, when they come, how they do work in that agriculture field, and due to which what happens, here also we can use the various pesticides as well as the fungicides in the agriculture field before and after flowering as well as the fruiting, and due to which what happens, that also affect the population of the honeybees. Now what can we do here? As an educator, as a bee lover, as a beekeeper, we say that, or the researcher in the apiculture field, we can do something here for the conservations. How can we start the beekeeping? First of all, we can implement that beekeeping in the school, colleges as well as the various institutes. What we know about that? We know about the basic knowledge about the beekeeping, to good and healthy beehives, equipments as a bee veil, smoker, knife, hand gloves, bee brush and the hive tool during inspection and the handling of the bees. These are the certain equipment, that is a beehive and bee veil, smoker, bee brush. This is the cost of the some of the equipments, around 900 in the Amazon. Now, as a beekeeper, what are the role and the responsibilities of the beekeepers? The beekeepers should inspect the beehives once every 7 to 10 days. If we implant or put the well to beehives, after every week, around 7 to 10 days, we can inspect the beehives by opening that upper cover as well as the super chamber. Monitor and maintain the hygiene of the beehives. Record observations and the nature of the behavior, is it normal or the abnormal, and implement the effective solutions. Relocating the beehives to enhance pollination of the crops. If there is no any flowering, you can move that boxes in that vicinity where the flowerings are present. Inspect beehives for parasites or the disease and do repairs when needed. If there is a parasites, you can check the parasites or the any disease, do repair when needed. Facilitate a conductive environment, that is a cleaning, feeding and watering for the bees. Cleaning during rainy season and the summer season that create the problems, and during such times sugar syrup you have to implement as a 1:1 ratio, that is a 1 glass water and 1 glass the sugar. After the role and the responsibility of the beekeepers, we must know the detailed idea of the honeybees, that 4 different species are present in the globe, majority in majority, that is Apis dorsata, Apis cerana indica, Apis florea and Apis mellifera. Just we give the detailed idea of that all the 4 bees through the video clip, along with that different equipments and how to handle that all the bees, especially domesticated bees, that is Apis cerana indica and the Apis mellifera. Look at that. This is the Apis dorsata, which also known as the rock bee. It is the largest honeybee among the other bees. It builds a single large comb in the open spaces, especially on the high branches of the trees, under the caves and the rocks, as well as the water tanks. The worker bees are very smart and active, which pollinate around 1200 flowers daily. A single comb may yield about 27 to 36 kg of the honey per year per comb. The bees are very ferocious and thus it is difficult to domesticate. It stings severely, causing the fever. This is the Apis florea, which commonly known as the little bee as per their small size. It builds a single comb, small comb, in the bushes or the hedges. It is docile in nature and rarely stinging behavior. They are poor gatherer of the honey and may yield about half to 1 kg per comb per year. It is good pollinator. Due to their small size, they visit the number of the flowers. These are the equipments which are very important for the apiculture purpose: bee box, gloves, hand gloves, bee wheel, smoker. Let me introduce first of all the bee box. This is the bottom board at the surface which is slopy, and the 3 borders which are somewhat the elevated, on which the brood chamber which is well settled. This is the queen gate. Only the worker bees comes out or it moves inside the box. This is the brood chamber, which consists of the life stages of the honeybees. These are the rectangular frames. The space which is present in between that adjacent frames, which is very important, due to which the worker bees can move from one place to another to take care of the other members of the life cycle. Next chamber just above to that of this, that is the honey chamber or the super chamber, which also consists of the total 8 frames. These frames are smaller in size, no doubt rectangular, but smaller in size as compared to the brood chamber. Here also the space which is present and through which the worker bees, they can move from one place to one frame to another frame to store the honey. Above to that of the inner that cover which is present, which is well which is important for the aeration. Above to that of this, the upper cover or the top cover which is present, which this is the bevel, which is very important equipment for the beekeeper. It wears it over the head and protect face and the neck from the sting of the bees. These are the gloves are another essential tool for the beekeeping. It protects our hands from the bee stings. This is the knife which is important to separate the frames during the handling. The bee brush, which is also the important to separate the bees from the honey frames during handling or collection of the honey. This is the smoker, which is very important to use to calm the bees. This is a smoker which has the blower, and through the blowing the air which is passes inside the that metallic chamber, the when we burn the organic material and simple with the help of the blowing, we can use the smoke which is comes out, and just we smoke that frames and through which the honeybees which comes out, and we can handle easily carefully. Now moves toward the apiary field. These are the boxes of the Apis indica, that is the third bee, which are observed in a farmer's house. The number of the boxes which are present here, well maintained that boxes in their house. This is also the another box, well covered, protect from the rains. This is another box. Look at that, at the bottom the water containers are to be present to prevent the entry of the ants and other insects. In a small space, we can adjust in this form the honeybee boxes. Only the one stand on which the four boxes which are well settled, which has the different direction. Look at that. These are the worker bees of the Apis cerana indica. Now moves toward the honeybees, especially the Apis indica colony. Just we observe here. Remove the inner cover, and these are the worker bees of the Apis cerana indica. This is the one frame, and the worker bees which are present here. Look at that, at the upper side of the comb, these are the honey cells which are completely filled and packed, are covered with the wax. Now moves toward the last, that honeybee, that is the Apis mellifera. This is the box is of the Apis mellifera. Generally such type of the boxes which are used for the commercial purpose, for the pollination in the agriculture field. Only the brood chamber which is present, there is no any bottom chamber or the bottom. Simply we get around 5,000 to 6,000 rupees per colony. Look at that at the entry where the worker bees which are present of the Apis mellifera. Look at that. These are the worker bees. Now moves toward the smoker. During handling or before handling, that smoker which is very important, just burn with the organic material, just blowing off that smoker, the smoke which comes out. Now with bevel, hand gloves as well as a knife and the smoker, just we inspect, open the cover. Now these are the bees, that is Apis mellifera worker bees. This is the frame of the Apis mellifera who construct the comb in this frame, and these are the bees. Look at that, the many cells which are capped, it means that the worker bees are present in the form of the pupal stage. This is the queen bee, which is the largest bee, around 2.5 times larger than the worker bees. Thank you. Dear friends, in this clipping, we observed that different species of the honeybees, domesticated honeybees, especially the Apis cerana indica and the Apis mellifera, the various equipments associated to this apiculture field. In this scenario, we discuss about the different apiary products, their importance. Now think differently for the conservation of the honeybees. Apiculture encourages environmental awareness. The revenue generated from the 100 bee colonies annually, which give the income around 3 lakhs. It improves the crop production, which boosts revenue generation in the farming. It means that which increases quality and the quantity of the crop productions and revenue or the income which generated during the farming. It plays a vital role in the development of the small scale industry as well as the rural economy. It promotes tourism in the region and thus contributes to the economy. If we implement the apiculture, the school level, college level as well as researchers also visited to that apiculture industry and becomes the tourist place, and through which we get the economy. It contributes to the employment generation and promotes the self-employment. When a population increases, the food production and youth employability which declines, and these two which are fulfilled, that is youth employment and the food production which are fulfilled by the apiculture only. And hence my request to you that please implant minimum one box in your college, in school or even though the in houses to conserve that bees because of its huge importance in the nature as well as the human beings. Thank you very much.